Uh-oh. It seems like my tracker doesn't work today. um, yeah, I don't. I'm invisible today. I I might need a. Okay, okay. How about we just use um the pixel art like that. Okay, that's me now. Yeah. um. Yeah, Steam VR. I changed some settings back because the settings I had it on uh, made it work for Triborger, but not for what was I gonna say? Not for actual VR. And that was kind of problematic. So uh, I fixed that, but now, unfortunately, our capture is not working anymore. So that, yeah, it's not very good. Oh well. Yeah, I'll try to fix it somehow. I'm gonna need to ooh, I'm losing my train of thought. Ooh, what was I saying? Sometimes this happens. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. I need to make I need to have two instances of Steam VR, or like two copies. That would be really good because then then we'll have like the two different modes, so we won't have stuff breaking. That would be ideal. Anyway, all right. I'm slightly short on time today, so we're gonna try to compose 20 songs in an hour. I don't know if it'll work. We'll see. Yeah. If you're new here, I normally have a 3D model, and I'm normally like gesturing around, but something broke, so I'm just using this pixel art for now. Yeah, it'll be okay. All right. So I think let's call this January. Oh, what was that? My phone just buzzed very loudly. Okay, January 5th, 2020, 21. A. I'm gonna use the alphabet. Sapphire. Hi. I have this habit, like every time I say hi, I start to like wave my hands. Because usually I have my leap motion here so you can see my hands, but not today. I think I did that in our phone call too. Probably with Rainbow too. Every time I say hi, I'm just like my arms. All right. Let's just okay. That's good. Composer. Try traps. There we go. The window's being weird with its size, so I'm just gonna resize. All right. Let's start out with a grand staff, so we can just like write some piano stuff. Here we go. No key signature. Blah, 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 yeah. All right. Okay. So, okay. So here's the plan. Okay, first I should explain. I'm supposed to be writing background music for an indie game developer I found on social media, but I haven't gotten much progress done. So we're just gonna do a marathon. We're just gonna compose random stuff, and it's gonna sound really good. I I was kind of joking when I said that. Maybe it'll sound good if we get lucky. Yeah. Let's just compose something. So let's just. Okay, so there's some A's. Let's do another A and then. Except let's make this one like up an octave. and then yeah, and then we can repeat it. This is kind of fun, just kind of scribbling stuff like this. The tempo is too slow, so let's just go like this, and then change it so it'll be like that. I don't know. And then let's modulate it so it's like it goes down to like an F natural, except Lurking says masterful. Thank you. Sapphire says, are you writing songs for a project? Yeah, so this is it's for that indie game developer, Mr. Sakai. I still don't know if I'm stressing the syllables correctly, but yeah, I feel bad that I've been so slow, but I am a student. I'm a very confused student trying to navigate. Okay, and then let's go back up to the original key. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, let's see what this sounds like. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, that's... Okay, how about we make this one like go up a little bit? Let's make that one an A flat also. Let's make that go kind of downward. Yeah. Should I leave the background music on from YouTube? Do you think that kind of works? I kind of like it. Let's make this like a chromatic scale. Ooh, I like that. Let's make this go up. And then we can do like this. Wait, like, let's see what this sounds like. Okay, so here we return to the main theme. Okay, so this would be like where this is like the end of the 8 bars, like the thing. So I think okay, we can like delete this. Or we could keep going with this. Let's actually go with that. I want to see what it turns. So here what we're doing is we're kind of repeating this. And it sounds like the music just got a little louder, so I'm just gonna turn that down a bit. There we go. Okay, here we go. So, okay, delete, and maybe add some like tremolos here. Can we do that? Trim. Like dark castle music. Yeah. Dark castle music. It will match well with my dystopian theme. I should bring on dystopian fraps. I returned to VR chat today and I used my dystopian fraps avatar. Where am I? So oh, that's not right. So what I want to do right here is I want to add like a tremolo. Where do you find that? Tremolo. Oh, no. Wait a minute. So, well, there's a trill. That's not a tremolo. That's different. Oh no. So we're gonna have to go into the next song now because we're trying to do like a marathon. We're gonna do like 20 in this 1 hour. In fact, I've definitely already spent too long on this one. But I'm trying to find the tremolo. I want a tremolo. Where is it? That's kind of sad. Okay, let's just add here. How about we just add some text that says tremolo? Like we can just I think it's Control T. Is that right? Okay. Trim like that. Tremolo. And we also need a huge crescendo. So it's gonna so okay. Okay, so here we have our crescendo starting. Crescendo. Except I want it. Poco. So here we need. Is there an option for that? I guess not. Okay, here we go. Poco. That means little by little in Italian. Do we need the line? Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then we're gonna delete these last few, and then we need a really big. Okay, how about we? I'm gonna have to accelerate my pace for the upcoming ones. I didn't think I would only have an hour. Alright, that's good. Oh shoot, wait. I guess I never saved. Okay, here we go. January 1st, 20. No, that's not. It's not the 1st, it's the 5th. 21. Yeah, here we go. So, you won't hear the tremolo probably because it doesn't know how to read it. Yeah, it would sound way cooler performed by a big orchestra. And also with the tremolo, which is like it sounds like shivering. Something like that, I don't know. You hear it in horror movies a lot. Alright, next one. Here we go. January 5th, 2021. Here we go. Let's just add another grand staff. So normally I switch around the instruments, so it's not just piano, but we're kind of limited on time, so I don't know. Let's do an F this time. Maybe an A flat. Oh, that's wrong. No, I don't like that. Sapphire says, super pro composer. Oh, thank you. It takes many years of music training. This is way too slow also. You see, okay, so what's going on right now is I'm still stuck in the last piece, so I'm making it sound kind of like the last piece, but I don't want it to sound like that. So let's actually make these triplets. Da, 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 da. Well, let's wait a minute. Tuplets. Okay, here. Okay, make these half notes, and then I think add tuplets, triplet. Actually, here I'm just gonna add a key signature. So this is an F minor. So that's B E I D. So I think 4 flats. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's turn up the tempo a lot. Oh, I just closed the window. Uh-oh. Wait, how do I get that back? Where is it? Uh-oh. That's not good. Master palette? Is that it? Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I want it to be really fast. Yeah, let's make it really fast. So here, oh, this is also a minor. See, now since I was just writing that last piece, this one sounds like a lot like it. So I need to make it really different. So instead of at 120, let's make it at like 160. Oh, okay, so this should be, yeah, like that. And then let's, oh, this is gonna be really cool. This is gonna be really cool. Yeah, I like this. Let's, yeah. Whoa. Listen to that. That sounds really, I like that. And then we're gonna add a third voice, which is gonna be A flat. I think that's good. Okay. Ooh. Let's make it up, and then it's gonna alternate in directions. So. Oh wait. So this one needs to be a C. See, I'm trying to fill out the chord. So I'm making like the whole triad here. F, A flat, C. I wish it were easier to add more voices though. I have a suspicion that maybe I just don't know the software well enough. Oh well. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Alright. So now I can copy this. Alright. And then let's change it a bit. So now it's gonna be like C. Yeah. Sapphire says, this program seems to be able to accomplish a lot though. Yeah, being able to write all this stuff on a computer makes it way faster. Like I can really just like it makes it so like you can like your imagination can just kind of like flow out onto the page, which is really different from like when you're writing just on paper, because when you're composing on paper it's like you have to hold everything in your head and like really slowly just draw each note. But here you can like just zoom around. It's really, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, it is free. Yeah, yeah, I love free software. Well, I don't like that. We need another. Wait. We need this. Oh, that's not right. We need to fill out the chord. So this is we still need the A flat. So Yeah, like that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's weird. Ba-da, ba-da, ba, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Oh, okay. It's just an optical illusion. Da-da-da. Oh no! Wait a minute. I'm losing track. What was there before? Okay. Oh, that doesn't look quite right though. So okay, yeah. So I made a mistake. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. This one needs to go like that. Yeah, because I want it to always alternate direction like that. Actually, I kind of like that now. See, in music theory class this semester, it was like, so that was my first music theory class in school, and they told us like, don't just use octaves or parallel octaves because they sound hollow, but I actually really like that sound. I think, okay, well, I think they were just like teaching us like the traditional way, but I think it sounds better like this. It has a certain style that I like. Because I actually kind of like the hollow sound, right? Yeah. I think like the style they were teaching us in avoids that kind of sound, but like this is modern music, so it's like it doesn't have to be that way. Sapphire says, music theory is so wild, I've heard many chords that shouldn't work but do. Yeah! Music theory, it's really weird because like I always wonder about it from like a psychological viewpoint. Well, I don't always look at it that way, but like why do we perceive music this way? I don't know. Maybe music theory is actually secretly a field of psychology. Okay, so I want this to be an F. Oh, that's not good. Ooh. Let's make this an arpeggio. Yeah. Ooh. I like this. Let's. Although I feel like I've heard that before. Maybe it's cliche. Ooh. Now that sounds a little bit too much, maybe. Ooh, I really like that. I really like that. That's really good. Should I repeat it? How about, okay, maybe not. Let's not repeat it. Because then that way, like when people listen to this, if it's background music, they'll be like waiting for that one note. I remember there have been songs that I've listened to where it's like, there's a single note that's like the best note in the whole song. And it's like, I'm just waiting for that note because it's like this really interesting note. So let's just have it like this one time. Yeah. And then let's go down. So this one will be like a progression downward. We can make it, or a degression, or regression. I don't know. What do you call it? Should we make it? Should we make it an E double flat or a D natural? Okay, let's make it D natural. And then, oh, this is gonna be another. Do we want more blue notes? Sure. We can make it D flat. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. I had a very good idea. And then it's gonna crescendo. Oh. Uh-oh. And then it's gonna go like that, and then it's gonna suddenly stop. So it's gonna be a huge crescendo there. Just like the last one we composed. It has a different style though. Background music is getting loud again. There we go. Okay, we need that enormous crescendo. It's been half an hour. Uh-oh. I think. Uh-oh. I've only done like 2. Okay, I really need to accelerate really quickly. Okay, so this is when it starts repeating again. So this is gonna be oh, let's make this let's see. The text right here is oh wait, what? What? Oh no. Wait. No. No. I didn't mean to change the font. No. Okay, we need to change the text. So this is gonna be poco molto crescendo. It's gonna be big crescendo. Molto big. Lots. Wait, what? I want the dotted line to go down there, but I guess not. Oh no. That's okay. Should we listen to it before we go on? Sapphire says molto. That actually works really well. Yeah, because it sounds like molto, but yeah. That should have been. We should probably pull this one out longer. So like, if this were a longer piece, I think I really like to like extend this part more because it kind of abruptly changes. But yeah, for now we're kind of out of time. But yeah, it just kind of crescendos to the end. Alright, let's start our next one. Oh no, I really need to rush now. I'm running out of time. That's not good. Okay, so this is C. Our third. And let's go with another grand staff. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's so pretty. Wow, thank you. What should we do now? Okay, I'm just like before, I'm gonna pick a random note. Let's just do G. And then let's make it chromatic. So let's do wait, that it's always too slow. We need really fast. Oh, unless we make it slow. We could do a slow. Okay, let's do a slow composition just once. It won't be boring. Let's make it really, really interesting. It's gonna be really slow but really interesting. So let's make this like not a boring rhythm. Let's make it like this. And then let's make these and then this one starts on E flat, Oh wait. And then we just have a rest, and then it's like, okay, let's do this again. But this time it's a little bit different. How about we start this one piano so it sounds shy? We could do like, oh, piano. Dolce. Is this? How do we do it? Wait, there's an expressive text, which is Control E. Okay. Dolce. I guess that's kind of good. Is it? What about like a withdrawn? Is there? Do we want it to sound like that? Oh, I think it's okay. Let's make E a. I don't know. I don't know Italian. Semplice. So this means sweet and simple. Oh, now it's really quiet. Uh-oh. Okay. So yeah, so this one's gonna start on A. But then this time, except it's gonna be like that. It's so quiet now. Oh, I don't like that. I've been too influenced by Shostakovich and Stravinsky. They write really dissonant music, but they do it really well. And so like I always just thought, oh, their music sounds good because it's dissonant, so it's all like scratchy and stuff. But actually, that's wrong. Oh, that doesn't sound right. I don't like that. I just chose these notes kind of randomly so they don't sound. Ooh, but we want it to be higher than before, right? So here it goes. But then here goes. I like that. Okay, and since we don't have much time, let's just like make it kind of a charming, just kind of ending that goes like. Wait, what key is this? Oh, that's the problem with writing things chromatically. Oh, chromaticism is when you have like your notes like right next to each other, like this, or like in pitch. So like they go by half steps. So it's like da 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 da. Yeah. So here it kind of ends on B flat. So it's kind of like B flat major. And so it kind of ends on like C major. But then you can imagine like a D that goes bum bum and then it like lands on the. It's hard to explain. let's just end it on G, like that. But it needs to be like a really dramatic, but also charming. Ooh, we need a grace note. Okay. But it's gonna be like the Mario jumping sound. But That didn't sound good at all. The software doesn't know what I want it to sound like. Can we tell it? Oh, what happened to our background music? Is it still there? No, it paused itself. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, so I want this to go before. So what I'm saying here is see what it's doing here is it's playing it as if this is the first beat, but I don't like that. I want it to be like ba-dum, like a just like a. It needs to go before the beat. How do we do that? Sapphire says, did the game developer give you requirements for each song? No. He gave me one reference song, and it's really I don't really know what he likes about it specifically, and yeah. Also, he changed his plan for the game, so it started out like in 2D. It started out being a 2D game, and then he decided to make it a 3D game, or he started to stop that project and start a new one, and I'm composing for it now. So basically, I don't know. That's why I'm just composing lots of stuff, and we're gonna just kind of select whatever matches. That seems to be a I'm doing kind of like a sketch or a doodle method where, well, I don't know if that's like an official term. I'm just kind of music doodling, and then we like later we look at the doodles and we're like, that one works. Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm not just gonna take it and use it. I'm gonna refine it. Yeah, we'll select good ones and then make them longer. Yeah, that'll be good. Now, velocity. Is this what I want? Velocity. What if we set it to 100? What's that? It was just an accent. So, in that case, no. Let's not do that. 0. Anyway. We'll just go with the limitations of the software for now. Yes, we want a really deep. That's not what it's supposed to sound like, but we actually want it to be really loud. So here we're gonna do sports. Oh, that's another. There are some things that are missing from here. See, I wanna. Oh, there it is. How do I search for this? Oh, that's kind of weird. Anyway, we want this to be a huge. Actually, if it has 2 F's, let's see. Normally it would be a sforzando, but is it like a sforzandissimo? I don't know. We should probably add a melody, like a like a top part, so it sounds more interesting. But we're out of time. For some reason, I imagine a hippo when I hear this. Like from the beginning, when I started writing this, I thought this is a hippo. I don't know why. Can you hear that? And then it goes. Okay, that sounds way too violent. Actually, let's change this. I don't want that. Now I realize just how ridiculous this looks. It should just be just a regular sforzando. And we need it to be. Let's see. How do you say charming in Italian? I don't know. We write a lot of terms in Italian, sometimes German. Music term for charming. Grazioso. Is it? Sus. Do you see that? Oh. I don't know why that made me laugh. Okay. Oh. Wait a minute. What is this? Anyway, oh no, this is taking a little long. Alright, also, that's blinding you with its brightness, isn't it? I'm gonna bring that on my other screen so it's not so bright. What word should I use? Charming. I'm gonna search in, let's see, charming. I'm searching on the Wikipedia page. Enthusiastic? Ooh. Here's a good idea. How about we make it scherzando, which means joking. Scherzando. Yay! Okay, next one. Okay, January. Oh wait, I guess I didn't play it for you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Grand stack. Next. Finish. I feel very concerned that we've gotten 3/4 of the way through the hour, yet we've only gotten 4 through. I don't. Okay, I'm not gonna make the goal, unfortunately. We'll try our best. Yeah, I'm gonna just speed run this. It'll be really fast. Let's do another fast one because I really like fast ones. I don't know why. I just like fast music sometimes. Ooh, I just thought about some Toho music. Ooh, I need to listen to more Toho music. I think the composer of Toho music should go down in history as like one of the like historic composers because it just sounds really good. I want to be inspired by Toho. Anyway, I don't know how to achieve that sound though. I might have to study Japanese scale system. Sapphire says, yes, please do. I really love. Oh, is that the composer name? I forgot his name or their name. I don't remember. Anyway, okay, quick. What should we do? B flat. Wait a minute. Let's make it over here, and let's make it a whole note, I guess. And let's add a sforzando. Let's copy that. I think they just make fan music, but it's all very good. Cool. I was just listening to the episode of the Trash Taste podcast, where they were interviewing Calliope Mori, and she was talking about Tama Onsen. Onsen. I think I didn't say that quite right. I sounded like a cowboy. I don't like that. Anyway, I know nothing about Tama Onsen. Onsen. Uh-oh. I need some practice with my Japanese so I can get my syllables sounding good. Should we make this one really dissonant so it's just like... No, I don't want to do that. Let's not do that. It would sound maybe cliched. Or maybe I've just bored myself with... Maybe I've tried too hard to write dissonant music in the past and it sounded bad, so I'm reluctant. Okay, Let's make this a G and an F at the same time, which is technically dissonant, but I think it sounds like good still. Sapphire says, make each one more chaotic. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. So this, these need to be like that. That's a really warm chord. It reminds me of autumn and pumpkin pie. I don't know why. That's really nice. Although there's a big accent on it. No, that's not so warm. It's like a stab. It's like, and then it's autumn. Well, I kind of like it. But we need to make it more interesting by adding more notes. That doesn't sound good. We'll fix it later. Okay, so these bottom notes need to be. Wait a minute. I have trouble writing on multiple levels in MuseScore. See, I want these bottom notes to be cloned. So let's make this one like that, and then tie these together. Like that. Yeah. That's that. Oh no. Okay, so this needs to have one flat. So let's add one flat. No, that's wrong. Two flats. Let's add two flats. I didn't think about that one very hard. I was hoping I could get it right just by guessing, but I didn't. Okay, key signature. Two flats. There we go. That'll make it easier to write. Let's make these triplets. So let's triplet. Except this looks very. This is gonna. Oh. This is gonna. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, so MuseScore doesn't seem very good at handling like these, having lots of notes playing at once on the same line. So probably next time I'll switch to just adding extra lines. In fact, why don't I do that now? Let's just add another instrument. Let's see. Or another staff, like that. No, that was good. That was bad. I mean, wait a minute. Treble clef. Add staff. Treble. No. We need another treble clef. Yeah. So if we remove that, there we go. And I want to move these down here. And then let's make these just kind of keep going like that. And then here we have some half notes that we turn into triplets. So we're gonna make these add tuplets. Control 3. This one also needs to be Control 3, and then this one goes, and then we And then we have ba-da-da, it was really flat. No, I didn't really try very hard to sing that. Uh-oh. So, and then let's have a B flat. See, I'm not trying very hard. Probably because I don't want to be too loud. So my voice is kind of constrained. And then let's go E flat. Ma. See, it's easier to sing deeper stuff for me. Ma. Sapphire says we should get you a kazoo. Yes. In fact, I probably have one. I also have an automaton and a mandolin, and several other things. And then this one needs to be B flat. So let's go B. Oh wow, as in I also have an automaton. Wait, Sapphire, don't you have a lot of instruments though? Or maybe that was just a false memory. I thought you said that on stream. This one. That's better. No, that's not good. Yeah, that's better. Probably. Yeah, that's good. The virtual piano plays it with an accent, which should not be there. It needs to sound gentle. Oh wait, but this is such a good one. I really like this one. But we're running out of time. Oh no, the hours. Oh, the hour is literally up. It's been an hour. Sapphire says, I only have 4 bass guitar. Well, I want a bass guitar. I really want a bass guitar. That would be very cool. I also want an accordion. I really want an accordion. I wrote some music that I think would be good for the game, and it uses accordion and harmonica, I think. I don't know. Yes, accordions are really interesting. I would probably buy the keyboard one, so that way I don't have to learn too much, because the brain probably can't keep up with that much. I want to be able to, like if I can maintain my keyboard, like my piano skills, then I'll also be able to play accordion now. If I get the keyboard style one. I hope you do get one, yeah. I also want a koto. Do you say koto or? I think you do. I think so. Because I think. Anyway. How do we finish this one? Let's. Should we make it a B, an E flat or a G? Should it be this or? Oh, how about a D? Oh, okay. Yeah. And then we'll have. And then that's the end. But we have to slow down. Yeah. Oh, that didn't work. Ah. Did I press numlock again? The alt shift. This is problematic. I need to delete these. But it's not working. It says, let's see, remove measures. That's not working. Maybe I need to select all of it? No. Okay, that's very weird. Measures. View, edit. Format. Add. Append? No. Edit. Delete. Normally I just have my keyboard shortcut, but it's not working. Remove. Yeah, it's Control Delete. Why is that not working? It's. Oh no. Control Delete. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just have to do it from the menu then. Background music is a bit quiet now, I think. Oh wait, this is. There we go. Okay. Format, tools, measure, no. Wait, where was it? No, that, where? Oh, there we go. No. It says remove selected range. Okay, so the words were just confused. What? Okay. How about we close it and then come back later? Let's open it again and see if it works. Yeah, it worked. It was okay. I just had to restart. Yeah. Sometimes that happens. So here we need a massive slowdown. Now I still don't know the big difference between ritardando and rallentando. Rallentando sounds very grandiose to me. Rallentando versus ritardando seems to be a deliberate slowing. Rallentando seems to be more letting go. Ooh. Oh. Rallentando. Rallentando. But it needs to be molto rallentando. Lots of slowing. Although I suppose the computer is better at reading it if we instead pull it from here. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh well, it's okay. Rallentando. There we go. So, okay, just remember that at the end it's supposed to slow down, so it's gonna go ba da 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 da. See, I'm not even trying to sing the pitch. But yeah, computer can't read it. That doesn't sound right. So this is like an E flat major triad, so either E flat, G, or B flat. Oops. I messed it up. I don't like that. Yeah, let's just okay. I like this combination. No, I don't like that. Ooh, well, let's add a grace note. This will fix everything. Except you can't hear it because the software reads it wrong. You can do it, thank you. For encouragement. That's not how it's supposed to sound. See, this is supposed to be like a fast note, so it goes ba da 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 ba da. Anyway, yeah. So that's it. Okay, yeah, we've run out of time. So, I guess that's the last one for today. We got 4 of them done out of the 20 I was hoping. See, I always underestimate how long it'll take, but I think I was thinking I could make myself speed run, but I just got too interested in making it sound good. You did well done. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I would go back to the home screen with my avatar and just like wave around and speak, but my avatar is gone right now. So I guess I'll just finish here. Oh wait, I should give updates on what's going on. So we finished the animation. Yeah. Okay. The animation. I'm just gonna show it to you. It's not very good. Wait, I shouldn't have said that. Now you have bad ideas. Basically, I'm saying I would improve it, but it's taken so long. So I don't want to. It's taken way too long. Okay, well, actually, to be fair, now that I've gone through the workflow, it's probably going to be a lot easier to make improvements. So I could do that, but I want to get on to the really exciting project. Yeah, anyway, so this thing loops. So you have shrug, and then you have this weird pose that I couldn't figure out, and so I just like made it into something using props. And then there's this weird progression, and then it's like stars. And then this one's like a wave that just kind of freezes in the air. And I like this part. Like, this part's my favorite. It went exactly the way I planned, except for the outlines. See, that's a weird like video artifact, but I couldn't figure out how to fix that. But that, I was very happy with the fade transition at the end. That ended up working really well. So yeah, this is my website. I put this up as part of my portfolio for a company I auditioned for, that some of you may have heard me talk about. So now that I finally have this up, I don't have to worry that they'll look at it early. But they might look at it and say, that could use a bit more work. Nah, I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's not like perfect, of course. But I think it does a good job of showing that I do animation. And that I know how to do stuff. Yeah. I think it's good enough. Although you might get mad at me if I say that. I wonder if that's actually a bad idea. Maybe I should be working on it more. Anyway, Sapphire says, then I hope it goes well. Thank you. Yes, it was a big typo. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yes, I'm back. I still live with my family, so there are sometimes interruptions. Well, that's okay though. Yeah, so, oh, okay, I dragged that on a little bit. Now I want to talk about the new stuff coming up, and then we're gonna leave. Yeah, okay, new stuff. You may have seen my post. So I tend to do this thing where I just like impulsively decide that I'm gonna do something ambitious. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I've decided to finally start the online laboratory, and we're gonna call it the Borger Lab. Because Triborger, and I'm a Triborg, and so it's Borger Lab. Yeah, and I'm gonna. My plan is to start an LLC. So we're gonna be like an official company called the Borger Lab, and we're gonna have our base in VR chat. The reason I want to make it a company is so that we can have like interactions with other organizations. That I think that might help organize it. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna have the Borger Lab, and the idea, which is really ambitious, and I'm a little bit afraid about. We're going to figure out a way. See, I wanna make it possible for people online to go to the Borger Lab, which is like a public online lab, and you can build. I want it to be so people can come and build voxel art, and then send the voxel art, and then we turn the voxels into. Okay, so that here I have to explain it a little bit. In nanotechnology, okay, this is like a really, this probably sounds really weird. It turns out that one of the most versatile molecules for building nanostructures is DNA. So even if the DNA is just like not doing anything, not producing anything, it's like a good building material. So we turn the voxel art into genetic code, and then we synthesize the DNA in a lab, and then we'll put it together, and the DNA pieces will assemble. Okay, this has been done before. I'm not making this up. Like there are papers on it that I've read. It's really cool. It's really cool. You can build all kinds of really cool like nanoscopic things just out of DNA molecules. So the very ambitious idea is people can just come to the Borger lab and just make something, like make some art, some voxel art, and just like send it to the lab, and then we turn it into a real nanostructure made out of DNA molecules. Thank you, Sapphire. DNA bricks. Thank you for your approval. My laugh gets weird sometimes. Yeah. So, yeah. Look at this. Is this publicly available? No. Where are we going? DNA. Wait a minute. Scholar.google.com. Okay. DNA bricks. And we're gonna go here. Look at this. Look at this. So okay. So this is like they show some Legos, and then like these are the corresponding like DNA thingies. Like bricks of DNA. And they just put them together, and it makes a structure. Yeah, so all you have to do is well, okay, it'll take a lot of work, but see, I just want to, this is just like a cool project. I want to make it so you can go design your voxel art, and just a really simple computer program could just generate some DNA code that could make these bricks, and then we send that to a lab. In fact, we might not even need like our own lab. I think we could pay. I think there are companies that, well, I know that there are companies that synthesize like small DNA molecules, oligonucleotides. It's a fun word. That's actually that's a pretty fun word. I like that word. But yeah, we should be able to make those, or have a company make them and then send them to us, or even actually have them mix them and turn it into the structure, and then somebody's going to use like an electron microscope to oh no, not 3D print. We can have a company that so there are like methods that can be used to build DNA molecules based on like you type in your genetic code, and you can have some high-tech machines just like build the DNA, and then you can replicate it using something called PCR. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna order the DNA, and then mix it together so it forms these tiny voxel structures, and then use electron microscopes to take pictures of them at the nanoscale. They're gonna be like these really small things, like molecular scale voxel art, and we take pictures of them, and we're going to send them back to whoever sent in the design. So that's the idea. ideally, it would also be really low cost. I think initially I thought it would even be free. Um, I don't know. Do you think we could support ourselves if it's free? I'm not really sure. We might need it to cost a little bit. You could also order the structures and just like have them in a necklace and like a little fluid container, and you just show them. You show it to your friends and you say they're tiny like voxel art sculptures in this. Yeah, look at this, look at this vial of fluid. If you get an electron microscope, you can see it. You can see the sculpture I made. Yeah, I think it's really cool. Yeah. Anyway, that's the first project I want to do, and it's that is a bit ambitious. I also want to make glowing rainbow hair dye for rainbow. That one seems a little more ambitious. Um, yeah, that would be very complicated. Yeah. Um, and then another thing, I still haven't received. Oh, Sapphire. Were you here when I announced I ordered Project North Star, or a kit to make it. Project North Star. I should be leaving the stream right now because I'm busy, but Project North Star. Actually, I haven't watched this video before. So here are some holograms. Augmented reality. This might even be classified as mixed reality. No, I think it's augmented reality for now. But if we add like some really cool neural, oh, so it is mixed reality. See, augmented reality is when it's like it adds it on top, but mixed reality is like things like objects can cover it. For people who don't know, yeah. Oh, hey Avec. Yeah, so I ordered the kit to make this. By the way, this is the leap motion. What you see here is this hand is tracked by the leap motion, which is what I use for my hand tracking. Wow, look at that. Yeah, anyway, so I bought the kit to make this. What I'm really excited about is this is open source, which means that although it was like the initial design was created by Leap Motion, which is now part of Ultra Leap, it was made open source so that anybody can change its design and contribute to it. So there's just like a bunch of geeks online and hobbyists who are just working on this and like designing this thing. It's augmented reality, and I don't know. I think open source is really the future. We can have like super high tech stuff made by some nerds on the internet. So yeah, I ordered the kit for one of these, and I'm gonna make my own version, or our own version. We're gonna make a Triborg edition, and you 3D print the chassis, like the body of the headset. So I'm gonna print it in red and white to match my color scheme. Maybe we could put some blue LEDs on it. That would take a lot of work though. But yeah, I'm also gonna put a Vive tracker on it. Yeah, so that's another thing that the Borger Lab will be working on. We're gonna work on holograms. We're gonna do augmented reality. I want it to be, I want to create universal XR software. So like software that you can use in like your holograms, your augmented reality, or you could use it in VR, virtual reality, like in VR chat. We could have a version that would work for that. And I'd really like to create like a Steam overlay app that gives you extra like holographic functionality in VR, that would be cool. So much fun future stuff. Yeah. Ivik says, are you one of those nerds or going to become one of those nerds? I'm going to become one of those nerds because like they have a Discord server, but when I look at their Discord server, it's just they're always talking about stuff I don't know about. They know so much. They know so many things. See, I use Blender for modeling, and I really like Blender, but I think they're like from the industry, so they have precision CAD software for engineering, and so they're like designing these really detailed 3D models, or really precise stuff, and they know all this stuff about electronics and software. So I'd really like to jump into that and learn more about it. Yeah. So there are 3 projects that the Borger Lab might be doing. Nanoscale voxel art, maybe rainbow hair dye. Okay, that's the least likely one because it's really difficult. It would take a lot of time, yeah, a lot of reading. And then holograms, except augmented reality. I just say holograms because maybe not everybody knows about augmented reality. Alright, I think I should leave now. Yeah, I need to practice violin. See, I was going to do both 2 hours before the stream, but then I was meeting with Squib in VR chat, and every time I have a conversation, it's like I can't end it early because it would just feel really weird. So it kind of like it had to kind of end naturally, and so I went a little bit too long, and yeah. Anyway, I need to do like 2 hours of violin practice right now before midnight. Make sure you drink water, Chai. That's a good idea. I should probably do that eventually. Maybe in a few weeks. Yeah. When I make jokes like that, should I say it like without laughing? Because I know like comedians say stuff like with the poker face, I guess is what they call it. It makes it funnier. But then like if you don't laugh, then people think you're serious and they're like, wait. Avex says, drink water today. That might be a good idea. I'll consider that a little bit. I'll consider that slightly. Yeah. I'll probably forget though because I'm very busy. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Well, okay. I guess bye. Bye. Oh yeah, I guess I can't wave anymore because my avatar is not up today. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Oh, I guess I can kind of do this. Yeah, chai. Yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you. Chai. Yeah, I need to also type chai like that. Yeah. Chai. For newcomers, that means bye bye in Chaiborg. Chaiborg. Avik says, thanks for the stream. Have a good day and take care of yourself. You too. Thank you for coming. Chai. Okay, I'm gonna finally click in stream. I've been drawing it. Good night. Yeah, well, actually, it might not be nighttime for you. It's nighttime for me. It's getting pretty late. Bye. Chai. Okay, I'm gonna click in stream now. You already heard the Windows sound. That was the Windows sound. If you didn't hear it, you missed it. Sorry. Okay, bye.